Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a really quick tutorial on how to do my brows. So I'm going to scoot you in a little bit closer and then we can get started with this tutorial. Alright, hi, now that we're up close and personal, I'm going to show you how I get my brows. So I'm starting off with just a spoolie and I'm just going to brush those hairs into a natural shape of an eyebrow, just to make sure any of the ones that were going all crazy which way are now back into place. Now I'm taking the Anastasia Dip Brow in medium brown, and I'm going to take a very small angled brush like this and just dip my brush into that product. And now I'm going to start with the underneath of the brow. So I'm going to start from about here and just make a straight line. Because my hair is very sparse right here, I want to make it into a more straight and angular brow. So I'm just creating that line on the bottom, and then I'm just going and making a really thin tail that ends about here. Alright, and I just made that tail and it's really thin, and I'm going to keep it pretty thin because I don't want really boxy and square brows. Now I'm just going to raise my eyebrow and fill in that space that was missing hairs. And just kind of start to fill in where I already have brow hairs. And then when there's not as much product left on the brush, I'm just going to take it this way and just slowly fill in the front very lightly because we don't want it as dark. We want kind of that gradient effect from here to here, so it looks a little bit more natural. Alright, and I started the top line of my brow, and then right where my natural arch is, that is where I'm going to start going back down into my tail. Now I'm just going to fill in any spaces that have white spots still. Alright, now I'm just taking a clear brow gel. This is actually a clear mascara from Great Lash by Maybelline. And I'm just going to use that to comb through my brow hairs, and that will keep these brows in place and will help the product stay on my face. Now I'm just taking some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer on the back of my hand and a really small concealer brush. And I'm just going to dip my brush into that product and then clean up underneath my eyebrow. And just really blend that in. You can even use your finger and blend that in. Alright, now that brow is complete, I'm going to do the other eyebrow off camera and we'll be right back. Alright, and my brows are complete. I hope that was easy to follow along and very helpful for those of you trying to get some more angular brows. So, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and check out my Instagram at SophiaDoingMakeup. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.